Make sure that everything in your house is looking good. For example, the walls are looking fresh and painted, that the floorboards are not squeaky, that the cupboards in the kitchen are all with the doors working and well aligned and sitting put, so you don't want anything that looks wonky. So ideally everything has to aesthetically look very well and look very well presented as well. So you can always turn to a lick of paint in the kitchen cupboards, or even doing a makeover on a piece of furniture that is looking a bit tired, for example. And also make sure that taps are working, boiler is working, because all of those things will be checked as well. So make sure your property is in tip-top shape.